For this video, we're going to be installing the safety selector and the pistol grip. You will need the safety selector, the grip screw, lock washer, safety selector detent, and the spring. You will also need a Phillips or flathead, but in my case, a 3/16 Allen wrench. First, start by turning your AR lower upside down in the block. Then we will be installing the safety selector. Then we will put the safety selector detent in, facing down. Then we are going to install the spring in the pistol grip lower handle. You want to make sure the spring does not get kinked as you're putting the pistol grip on. You want to make sure it doesn't get pinched or kinked in between the pistol grip. Then you will take the lock washer and put it on the grip nut. When installing this, keep an eye on the detent spring to make sure it doesn't come out or get pinched. You will want to take it off and test to make sure it goes from safe to fire.